And we're back to JavaScript. Let me show the decrement operator. So just like with the incrementation, we can use decrementation. We just have to change ++ into -. In this example, we have a variable of let x equals 12, and then x++ gives us 13 when we print it out using document.write. If I change it to -, this would be +-1, therefore 11 should be the result. Let me change that to 7, we'll get 6. You can also add it multiple times, so x - again, and we have 5. Keep in mind you can't add that directly here in the document.write. Just like with the incrementation, we can't add -- here in semicolon. This is going to result in an error. And without the colon, it simply doesn't decrement it, so we don't get 4, but we should. So that's something to keep in mind when you use it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.